If you open the envelope, you will notice that there's keys attached. You will cut this zip tie. You will take a key. Both keys are the same, and you will open your machine. Lock, unlock, and open. Here you can see the components inside the machine. When you open your machine, you will notice that all the coils are zip tied and the trays slide out and stop. That's so that when you're loading the machine, you can load it easily and then push them back. There is a magnet behind each tray. The reason for that magnet is so that when you push the trays back, they stay in place. If your trays don't come out, it depends on the model, but right here, you will notice that there could be screws. Those screws are keeping the trays from moving during transit, in which case you unscrew those screws and now you can slide the trays out. Now you could cut all your zip ties, remove the plastic, and get ready for install.